Today in this class, I will discuss some important MCQs from the chapter Framing of the Indian Constitution. Before this video, I have already discussed important question and answer from chapter 1, that is background of the Indian Constitution, and that is all those video will be getting in the playlist section. আজিৰ এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ চেপ্টাৰ নম্বৰ 2 that is ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টিটিউশ্যনৰ পৰা কিছুমান MCQ কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিছোঁ, যিবিলাক যিটো MCQ আমাৰ এই এক্সামবিলাকৰ কাৰণে হেল্পফুল হ'ব। বাকী যিবিলাক এক্সামত পলিটি আহি থাকে সেইবিলাক এক্সামত এই কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হ'ব। চ' for all those exams where polity is required, this video will be helpful for all those exams. So without wasting any time, let us see our first question for today. Here is our first question for today. The first question is, the first draft of the constitution was prepared by whom? The draft of the Indian constitution prepared by option number A, B.R. Ambedkar, option number B, B.N. Rao, option number C, K. Santhanam, option number D, K.M. Munshi. The correct answer will be option number B, that is B.N. Rao will be the correct answer for this question. Let us move to the next question for today. Here is our next question. How many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? Please note that this is part 2 of the chapter. Okay, before I have already discussed part 1 of this chapter. You can watch those classes from the playlist of the YouTube channel. So answer of this question is, how many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer will be option number C, 22 parts. There are 22 parts in the Indian Constitution. Next question. Deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated in Constituent Assembly by, that means the voting rights were the voting rights were earlier 15 years, right? That is why who introduced this in Constituent Assembly? Answer will be option number C, Maulana Azad. Next question. The Constitution of India is a republican because option number A, it provides for an elected parliament. Option number B, it provides for adult franchise. It contains a Bill of Rights. Next option is, it has no hereditary elements. So among this option number D will be the correct answer for this question. Let us move to the next question for today. Who was appointed as Assembly's constitutional advisor in 1946 during the framing of the Indian Constitution? So your options are option number A, B.N. Rao, option number B, B.R. Ambedkar, option number C, Gopal Swami Iyer, option number D, K.M. Munshi. So among these, your correct option are B.N. Rao. Option number A will be the correct answer for this question. Let us move to the next question for today. Which of the following was not? Here is the next question. Which of the following was not included when the writing of the Indian Constitution was completed on 26 November 1949? That means earlier when our Constitution was written, which of the following were not included? It says which of the following were not included. So among these, option number A, fundamental rights. Option number A, fundamental rights, and option number B, fundamental duties. Option number C, presidential rule. Option number D, emergency provision. So among these, correct answer will be option number B, fundamental rights. Next question. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on, when did the this question may come in different way. Okay, when did the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India? So answer will be option number C, the Constituent Assembly has adopted the Constitution of India on 26 November 1949. Next question. Which type of democracy do you follow in India? Which type of democracy we Indians follow, na? Which type of democracy? So option number A is direct. Option number B is presidential. Option number C is representative, and option number D is dictatorship. So correct answer will be option number C. That means representative. Our democracy is representative democracy. Next option. Next question. Here is our next question for today. How many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formation of the Indian Constitution? Before formation of the Indian Constituent Assembly, how many sessions were conducted? How many sessions were conducted? It is said that how many sessions were conducted. So before framing the Indian Constitution, there were 15 sessions conducted before framing the Indian Constitution. Option number D will be the correct answer for this question. And let us move to the next question for today. Which among the following state does not come under the sixth schedule of the Constitution of India? We know that our Constitution gives sixth schedule right to whom? To the hilly state or hilly districts. Okay, so question is among these four districts, which doesn't have the provision for sixth schedule. Okay, so answer will be option number D. Sikkim will be the correct answer for this question. And now let us see the next question for today. Here is our next question for today. To produce the Constitution, the Constituent Assembly took how many days? That means to prepare the Constitution, the Constituent Assembly took how many days? Option number A will be the correct answer. 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constituent Assembly completely, frame the Constitution completely. Okay, Constituent Assembly has constituted the Constitution, and it took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to form the Constitution. That is the question, that Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to form the Constitution of India. Let us move to the next question for today. Here is our next question for today. Which of the following freedoms is not okay? Mind it, it's not specifically mentioned in the Constitution of India as a fundamental right, but has been subsequently upheld by the Supreme Court of India as such. So answer will be freedom of press. Okay, this is a fundamental right according to the Supreme Court of India. Let us see the next question. Which part of the Indian Constitution consists of article on election? Our the election হয়ে থাকে, আমার election to কোনটো পার্টত মেনশন করা আছে? Part 15 of the Constitution tells us about the election in the India, election procedure in India. Okay, let us see the next question for today. January 26 was selected as the date for inauguration of the Constitution. Because why January 26 was selected for inauguration of the Constitution of India? So answer will be option number A. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day on 26 January 1930. That is why our Constitution was supposed to be adopted in 26 January 1930. Okay, I hope you have got my point. Next question. Desh is a document that lays down the basic rules and regulation for people and the government in the country to follow. That means which book lays down the provision and rules, some set of rules for government of a country and people. So answer will be the Constitution. All of you know, na? Constitution provides Constitution is a document that provides basic rule and regulation for people and government in the country to follow. Okay, next question. The most essential feature of the parliamentary form of government is option number A, sovereignty in the parliament. Option number B, written constitution. Option number C, accountability of the executive to the legislature. Option number D, independent judiciary. So correct answer will be option number C, accountability of the executive to the legislature. Let us move to the next question. Which schedule of the Constitution of India distributes power between union and the state? So we have to say that which schedule of the Constitution of India distribute the power between the union and the state. So answer will be 7th schedule. Option number D will be the correct answer. 7th schedule of the Constitution of India distributes the power between the center and the state. Okay. Next question. Which among the following is not the basic feature of the Constitution of India? We know the basic feature. We cannot amend the basic feature of the Constitution. So, question is which among these 4 options is not the basic feature of the Constitution of India? So, answer will be option number D. The unquestioned right to the Parliament to amend any part of the Constitution is not the basic feature of the Constitution of India. Let us move to the next question. The unitary system of government possesses which of the following advantages? That means where unitary system of government is followed, they have which of the following advantage? Option number A, greater adaptability. Option number B, strong state. Option number C, greater participation by the people. Option number D, lesser chances of authoritarianism. So correct answer will be option number A, greater adaptability. Okay. Let us go to the next question for today. The Constitution is declared to have adopted and enacted by the option number A, Constituent Assembly. Option number B, People of India. Option number C, Indian Parliament. Option number D, British Parliament. Which of these options are correct? Option number B will be the correct answer for this question. That means People of India. The Constitution of India is adopted by the people of India. Okay. I hope you are getting my points and I can explain you better. So let us move to the next question for today. Which of the following countries enjoy a federal form of government? Which of the following countries enjoy a federal form of government? Option number A, China. Option number B, USA. Option number C, Cuba. Option number D, Belgium. So correct answer will be option number B. USA enjoy a federal form of government. Okay. Let us move to the next question for today. The Indian parliamentary system is different from the British parliamentary system. That means in India has option number A will be both real and nominal executive. Option number B, a system of collective responsibility. Option number C, bicameral legislature. Option number D, system of judicial review. That means question is what? Question says there the Indian parliamentary system is different from the British parliamentary system. That means in which point, how can we say that Indian parliamentary system is different from British parliamentary system? That means Indian parliament is different from British parliament because Indian parliament follows bicameral legislature. Okay. Here is our next question for today. Which of the following schedule of the Constitution of India has fixed the number of members of the Rajya Sabha to be elected from each state? Answer will be option number D. 4th schedule of the Constitution of India says that the member of the Rajya Sabha to be elected from each state মানে কি কৈছে এই শিডিউলে এই 4th নম্বৰ শিডিউলে মানে ফিক্স কৰি দিছে এটা নাম্বাৰ যে প্ৰত্যেকটা ষ্টেটৰ পৰা ইমানজন মানুহে কি কৰিব পাৰে মেম্বাৰ অফ পাৰ্লামেণ্ট হ'ব পাৰে ইয়াতকৈ বেছি হ'ব নোৱাৰে ঠিক আছে that means 4th schedule of the Constitution of India says that. Okay. Next question. Which of the following features of the Constitution of India is indicative of the fact that real executive power is vested in the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister? কোনে কয় এইটো পাৰ্লামেণ্টাৰী ডেমক্ৰেচিয়ে কয় ঠিক আছে নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন মানে যিটো কাণ্ট্ৰিত পাৰ্লামেণ্টাৰী ডেমক্ৰেচি আছে সেইটো কাণ্ট্ৰিয়ে ক'ব পাৰে সেইখিনি বস্তু ঠিক আছে নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন Who said India is a quasi-federal state? Who among these following said there? Lord Bryce, Ivor Jennings, Ejehski, Casey Ware. Among these, who said that India is a quasi-federal state? So answer will be option number D. That Casey Ware says that India is a quasi-federal state. Okay, next question. Okay, here is our next question for today. There are different arguments given in favor of power sharing in a democratic political system. Which of the following is not one of them? Okay, which of the following is not one of them? Option number A, it reduces conflict among different communities. Next option, major community does not impose its will on others. Next option, since all are affected by the policies of the government, they should be consulted in the governance of the country. Next option, it speed up the decision making process and improve the chances in a country. So among these, option number D will be the correct answer. That means it speed up the decision making process and improve the chances of unity of the country. Okay. In the SR Bommai versus Union of India case, which among the following feature of the Constitution of India upheld by the Supreme Court as a basic feature? Option number A, liberalism. Option number B, secularism. Option number C, dignity of the human person. Option number D, freedom of religion. So among these, option number B will be the correct answer for this question. Here is our next question for today. Basic features of the Indian Constitution which are not amendable under Article 368 are option number A, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and a federal system and judicial review. Option number B, sovereignty, territorial integrity, parliamentary system of government. Option number C, judicial review and federal system. Option number D, sovereignty, territorial integrity, federal system, judicial review, and parliamentary system of government. So option number A will be the correct answer for this question. And here is our next question for today. Article 368 of the Constitution of India deals with option number A, the powers of the Parliament of India to amend the Constitution. Option number B, financial emergency. Option number C, reservation of state for scheduled caste and reservation of seat for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Option number D, official language of the Indian Union of India. So Article 368 deals with what? Article 368 deals with the powers. Option number A, powers of the Parliament of India to amend the Constitution. Okay. Here is our end of the video. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you all.